Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. Also, PST, all documentation should be current. Cell phones, students should not have cell phones in class. It needs to be in your backpack and turned off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow the uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in their classrooms, outerwear should meet the uniform guidelines. No hoodie. No one should be wearing a hoodie throughout the day. Late duty today is Miss Everett, tomorrow's Miss Lee, and then Friday is Miss Shaver. Important dates. This week we still have our ACAP going on and our ACAP alternate. Tuesday, March 22nd, we have Math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have an HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday, also World Epilepsy Day. Students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants on this day for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. Tuesday, March 29th is PST. Our Scholar Supporters Pre-K is going to be cheering on Miss Overstreet's class. Miss Waller and Lee are taking the 4th grade. Miss Guidry and Cunningham are taking 5th grade. Miss Shaver and Miss Clark have 3rd graders. And Miss Duberg and Miss Hogan have 2nd grade. So, cheer on our students who are doing an awesome job on their ACAP. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.